This is a Milwaukee bandsaw, portable, and it was sliding. It was slipping when I was cutting with too much advance. I mean, when I pressed it too much, the saw against the material cutting, the wheels and the saw would stop, and the motor continued running. So I suspected it was a clutch. So you then take out this, very easy to fix. You just take out this cover with 3 Torx screws, and then this is a plate spring. Is not a washer. It's a plate spring, and that stuff here is a clutch. The shaft is a hex. I'm gonna open it. So regular thread screw. Just take it out, and then here's the plate spring. You can see it's a dish facing that way down, so it presses the discs when you tighten the bolt. There should be a very small recess on this, about 1 millimeter, and then you can see there's a multi-disc. There's a disc with a hex in the middle, so the shaft is the hex hole goes here, and that one turns with the motor and the gearbox, and this one engages on the wheel itself, and it's a star. There's another set here, exactly the same. So I'm putting them together. You can see that it slides because it's marked, and you put. The problem is that this one was a bit flat, and then wouldn't put much pressure onto the discs. So what I've done is that I put in a large socket, and then use the press in the center to just increase the curvature, the angle on the dish. Put it back on. That bolt goes on, and the hint to tighten it up without, I don't know if there is a special procedure with a special tool to hold it. This is a 9/16. If you try to rotate it, it will spin. It's not spinning yet. Once you get to torque it, it will spin everything. So you just put it like that and just give it a tap. I can tap with only one hand, holding the phone with the other one. Just give some taps in here, just put it back together. Problem fixed.